Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to grade 9 ICT textbook explanation video series. In this video, we are going to discuss about port and network connections. Actually, we can use ports to connect peripheral devices with computers. We have already discussed about peripheral devices. Peripheral devices mean the devices which we can connect it with the computer. Peripheral mean the devices which we can connect it to the computer additionally to the core devices in the computer. If you want to know more about it, you can watch our previous video. In here, we have mentioned in this note, we can see that there are so many types of ports. We can see basic types of ports related to the computer. The main type is USB port, universal serial bus, available in every computer. Today, every computer we can see universal serial bus USB ports. Through the USB port, we can connect so many devices. Actually, a lot of these devices can connected with the computer through the USB port. The benefit of the USB port is it is easy to connect devices as well. So many devices are coming with USB ports nowadays as well. A lot of them are self-powered because no need to connect other additional power source. Lot of USB devices are getting the power through USB port. Therefore, no need to use other power source. If we consider mini speaker or else mini subwoofer, we can connect it with the USB port without using any additional power source. It is a very good feature of USB port as well. Easily we can connect devices with the USB device as well. No need to install with a lot of devices. No need to install separate drivers because after we connect the device with USB port, lot of devices are automatically install the driver through the OS, especially in operating systems like Windows 10, Windows 11. No need to additionally install the driver. Automatically, it's installed the driver. In here, we have mentioned several types of devices which we can connect it to the USB printer. Actually, currently, general printer need to connect additional power source to get the power for the printer, but as the data cable, we can use USB connection. Keyboard, actually regarding the keyboard, no need to connect additional power source through the USB port. It will get the power for the that keyboard. As well, mouse, scanners, external hard disk, then after external DVD drive, digital camera, web camera, barcode reader, memory card, pen drive. There are so many types of devices as well. We can consider also modems, USB internet dongles as well, USB mini speakers. There are so many devices in here. We have mentioned few of them. Commonly, the devices we can see commonly used. Therefore, through the USB port, we can connect so many devices with the computer. We can easily connect as well. We can easily connect, and also we can easily remove that device. So, USB port is a main type of port which we can see in the computer. Okay, in next video we can discuss about network port. Network port means RJ45 connector. Till we meet again with the next video, have a nice day to all of you. As well, if you have any doubt, you can always use our WhatsApp support service. So have a nice day to all of you. Thank you very much.